It's Rick Drury at World of Wheels, Indianapolis 2018. I'm here with Brian and an absolute gorgeous 63 Rivi. Now you got to tell me about it. How long have you had this car?
We've had it 3 years to date. We bought it right after World of Wheels 2015 and started on it in August. We finished up my father-in-law's Impala and promptly got this in the shop. So 2.5 years later, here we are.
All right, tell me a little bit about what kind of condition was the car when you got it?
It wasn't bad. We drove it home.
Okay.
But it was a 53-year-old car.
Right.
So the floor pans needed a lot of work.
Okay.
My transmission guy asked me how I got the transmission out of it. I said, well, when we drove it home, he didn't believe we drove it. So I don't know how it ran, but no, it was a pretty solid car to start with. It had its typical GM moments. Around the back windows were rusted out and some spots in the trunk. But
okay. All right. Now tell me a little bit about what are the modifications that you've done to the car?
Very subtle modifications. Everything on the car is what the car was born with. All the paint, but one fender, but all the trim and everything's the same that came on the car. The reason we bought the car, it was all there.
Okay.
So as far as modifying the door handles, the deck lid, we cleaned off the letters off the deck lid, the trunk lock, changed the tail lights. The front grille is where the headlights were originally mounted,
right.
And we put different lights back in behind the grille, moving the battery to the trunk.
Okay. Yeah. So tell me, what was your biggest struggle in building the car? There has to be one or two.
Well, right here at the end was the power steering, but of all the things that you run into, time and money were the two biggest struggles.
Was it?
Yeah. Never enough time and never enough money. But no, it was just a labor of love. It had its challenges, but it was an enjoyable build.
Awesome. Well, in a crowd of trucks and cars that are built by shops, to see yours easily holding its own with the rest is pretty impressive.
Thank you. Thank you. That's kind of the direction we wanted to go. I wanted to be able to say that I've done it. I've owned a car in the past that I didn't build, and
right.
You know, people say, "Did you build it?" First thing you gotta say is no, but I can.
Now you can say yes. That's right.
Yeah.
All right, Brian. It was awesome. Great car, man. Really good car.
Classic Auto. Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto, insuring your vehicle, insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.